Githagathago kigie urugamiriri wa mai na kambuni cia mai thiini wa kaunti ya Murang'a nikironekana ta giguthii na mbere na kurikia ndũgamano iria ikoretwo ho gatagati ga thirikari iyo na ministry ya mai thutha wa minister wa mai Simon Chelugui kuheana murugamo wake wigie igeria ria gavana Mwangi wa Iria kweheria wabici-ini aikariri giti atatu a kambuni cia mai.
They couldn't have handed over just like that. We need to go back, ask for an AGM, and then elections are done, and directors, and the county government is represented. They have 3 directors in a board of 9. They have the biggest number. They can decide in that board to remove X and place with Y.
To somebody, to hand over, in my case, Yagatanga, to the Ardhi Water Services Board. Now I am hand over to Tana.
Rugamiriria ya bodi cia kambuni cia Gatamathi, Kahuti na Gatanga community maugite matikwehera iturwa-ini ciao. Minister Chelugui riu akiuga ni nginyagia mutaratara uria ubatie urumirirwo riria arugamiriri tacio marehera kana kurutwo ite-ini.
Hakuna njia nyingine ya mwenyekiti ama wakurugenzi kujiuzulu. Njia yao ni kuenda kwa ile AGM. Na katika AGM unaweza jiondoa na uchaguzi ufanyike. Na uchaguzi utafanyika kati ya wale wengine. Kwa sababu gani? Hatutaki hapo katikati mtu aondoke na ile kazi ya kupatia wananchi maji iharibike.
Na hari miario ironekana tari kuregana na riendekithia ria Wairia ati ni nginyagia muingi uguneke na kigina kiria kiunganitio kumana na kwendia mai thiini wa kaunti ingi. Chelugui augite ati utonga wa mai ndungiigananio na utonga ungita wa maguta.
We are moving water from Murang'a to Nairobi. What happens with Murang'a? What happens with the catchment area? And that is a question that I've continued to answer, and we have been addressing as a ministry, and up to now we have a 6.4 billion shillings, one of the highest investment of water. I think that is what we need to keep this country together, make this country, integrate this country, and avoid. And you cannot equate water to oil, petroleum of Turkana.
Murugamo uyu mweru wa minister wa mai ukirehe bica ya miena iri iria nyitite mirugamo ngurani ya uria mai mabatine kuramatwo kaunti-ini ya Murang'a na hihi kurehe kiuria kia riria ndũgamano ino ikaninwo kaimana. Ngiribotera mutamburuko wa mohoro ma Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.